Jai Hind to all of you. I am Priyanka Sharma, Assistant Professor, EC Department, AKGC Ghaziabad. I am going to present my video lecture in Fundamentals of Electronics Engineering, BC 101. In this subject, we are going to cover up the topic diode clippers, and in this we are going to see basically about the parallel clipper circuits, how to solve it and how to analyze all different type of circuit arrangements. So this is basically helpful for first year students. In this they will going to enhance the skills, how to solve the diode clipper circuit in parallel configuration. So first we are going to see what is diode clipper circuit. What is diode clipper? Diode clipper is basically the circuit that will going to remove some portion of the signal. Remove some portion of the signal either from positive side or negative side. So in this, if we will see the signal, you can cut it from any portion, either from the positive cycle, either from the negative cycle at any point. So this is called diode clipper. And as we had seen in our different lectures, diode clipper circuit basically of different types. It is basically of series, parallel, series clipper, parallel clipper, then we have biased clipper. So in this video lecture, we will going to cover up basically the parallel clipper circuit arrangement. So in previous video lecture, we had seen the series clipper circuit and its different configurations with the help of biased clipper circuit. So in this also, we are going to see the parallel clipper circuit in different biased clipper circuit arrangement also. So first we are going to talk about what is parallel clipper circuit. So basically the clipper circuit removes the signal from some portion. So in this we have different diode arrangements. So if we connect the diode in shunt configuration and resistor in series configuration, then it is said to be parallel clipper circuit. So in parallel clipper circuit, we have the arrangement like this. Resistor is connected in series configuration and diode is connected in shunt configuration. So this is the arrangement that we will use for the parallel clipper circuit. So this is the arrangement and we had given the input from here. This is the input we had given. So this is the basic circuit, and in this circuit also we can have positive clipper circuit and negative clipper circuit. So in this arrangement, if we will see here, we can see the output positive cycle will be shorted or we have zero output, and in negative cycle we will get the output. That means positive cycle is clipped here. So this configuration is basically called as positive clipper. So this clipper circuit basically clips or removes the positive cycle. So again we will see how it will going to work first. So we will going to see the arrangement here. In this, Vin is coming here, Vin with positive cycle and Vin with negative cycle. So if we see the positive cycle will occur first, so this end will become positive and this end will become negative. Again, with as we had seen in the series clipper circuit, we will going to analyze the circuit for both the cycles, first for positive cycle and then for negative cycle. So for positive cycle first, for positive cycle we are going to see here, for positive cycle this end will become positive and this end will become negative, and if we see here, this Vin is appearing here across the diode. So if we see the Vin at positive cycle, this positive is connected to positive of diode, this diode will become forward bias. So in forward bias condition, diode is acting as a short path. So diode is forward biased and becomes short path. So if we let's say take this as ideal diode, in this condition it is working as a short path. So if we again see the arrangement here, we will see here this resistor R is coming here and this diode is shorted. So we will have the output across this parallel diode. So in this parallel arrangement, the diode output is coming here. Since the diode is shorted, So output across the short path is equals to 0 volt. So if we plot the waveform, we have this input waveform, this is the input waveform, this is Vin, and this is the output waveform, and we had seen that for positive cycle Vout is equals to 0 volt. So in this arrangement we will not get the output for the positive cycle. Now if we see it for negative cycle, if we see it for negative cycle, for negative cycle this end will become negative, this end will become positive, and the diode arrangement remains same. And now if you will take the output for this Vin is again coming here but with negative cycle. So this negative is now connected to positive of diode. So in this case we can say diode is reverse biased and becomes open circuit. So for this arrangement the circuit is plotted like this, circuit is drawn like this, diode will become open, and we know that for open circuit output voltage is exactly equals to the input voltage. So Vout is equals to Vin coming out here. So again if we plot this output, that means Vout is coming here same as input. So Vout, since input is negative cycle, so output is also coming out to be negative cycle here. So we can say here positive cycle is clipped off. Positive cycle clipped off. So in this arrangement we will obtain the clipper circuit as positive clipper circuit. So this is the basic parallel clipper circuit. So in this again we had seen how to solve the circuit for different cycles, for positive cycle or negative cycle. For negative clipper circuit again we have different arrangement. For negative clipper circuit we have arrangement like this. The diode direction will be changed in this way. So this will give you the negative clipper circuit. Again if we will solve this circuit for input voltage, we will get the output like this. For positive, in this case for positive you will get the output, that means diode will be reverse biased. For positive cycle diode will be reverse biased, that means diode will be open, and for open circuit Vout is equals to Vin as we had seen in the previous circuit. So Vout is equals to Vin coming here, Vout equals to Vin. But for negative cycle this diode will become forward biased and it will become short and output will be equals to 0 volt. So for negative cycle you will not get the output and we can say Vout equals to 0. So in this case negative cycle is clipped off. In this case negative cycle is clipped off. So this is how the negative parallel clipper circuit work in different cycle arrangements, that is positive cycle or negative cycle, and it can also work as positive clipper or negative clipper. Now next we are going to see the arrangement of parallel diode clipper in biased configuration. So we can call it as biased diode clipper in parallel configuration. So in this configuration also, biased means we are connecting the external battery, or we can say we are connecting the external DC battery to the parallel diode clipper arrangement. So in this also we are going to see the first circuit arrangement. In this first we will give the input V in here, and in this arrangement resistor is connected in series and diode is connected in shunt, and in this diode one DC battery is connected in along with this. So again let's say we called it as VB, let's say we will take it as 5 volt and we will take the output across this whole arrangement. So this is said to be biased diode clipper in parallel configuration. So let's say again we will start with the example only. We will take this input as 10 volt. This is your Vin and minus is minus 10 volt. So we will going to have this circuit. Again now we are going to start with this circuit. We have DC battery, positive in the upper side and negative in the lower side, and this positive is connected to higher potential of the output. So with this arrangement, if we are going to plot the input and output waveform parallelly, we have this arrangement. This is the input and this is the plus 10 maximum volt, this is minus 10. So in this again, as we had done in the series diode clipper, we had marked the DC battery level. So if we have 5 volt, positive is connected to the positive of the output, we'll again going to mark it in the positive side. If the battery is in the reverse, that is negatives connected to the positive of the output, then this DC level will be marked in the negative side. So accordingly we're going to work here. So if we have so now if we have marked the DC level positive, this is the plus 5 volt. Again same as series clipper circuit, it divides the cycle in two halves. One is Vin greater than 5 and another is Vin lesser than 5. Again we will going to draw the projections at different points at 5 volt, at negative cycle change, and then accordingly we are going to plot the output. So if we first start with the positive cycle, first case 1, Vin greater than 5, we have Vin coming here, this is Vin, and if we will check the Vin here, this is Vin coming here. Now first case we had taken Vin greater than 5, that means Vin is always greater, or we can say higher value than 5. So can we say this Vin is at greater potential, or we can say at higher potential as compared to 5 volt. So we can say this is at lower potential. So if we now see across the diode positive is connected to greater potential or higher potential, and diode negative is connected to lower potential. So that means if higher potential is connected to positive of diode and its lower potential is connected to negative, in this condition also we can say diode is forward biased and becomes short. So in this arrangement, if we will draw the equivalent circuit, we will have the circuit like this. This is the Vin coming here and diode is acting as a short path with this DC battery connected here, that is 5 volt, and we have to take the output across this. Now if we will going to find the output across this, we will going to find the output in this loop. So in this loop, if we apply the KVL in this direction, anti-clockwise direction, minus to plus, we have plus V out, plus to minus, minus 5 equals to 0. So V out is coming out to be plus 5 volt, that is the constant value. So for the case Vin greater than 5, output will remain constant at plus 5 volt. And for the remaining portion, we will again going to solve the circuit. So this is for Vin greater than 5 volt. Now the next case, if you will going to see, that is case 2, Vin lesser than 5. In this arrangement, we can say this end of the diode in this arrangement, we can say since Vin is lesser, that means Vin is at lesser potential and 5 is at greater potential. Now if lesser potential is connected to positive and greater potential is connected to negative, in this arrangement diode is said to be reverse bias and becomes open circuit. So in this arrangement, what is the output coming here? We can see diode is said to be in open circuit condition and battery is connected same like this. So the output coming here across the open circuit is equals to Vin. That means output is same as input voltage. So if we look into this output waveform, the remaining portion that is lesser than 5 will appear as it is. That means same as Vin voltage in the output with the same peak voltage, that is minus 10 volt. So this is how we will get the output waveform in biased diode clipper circuit. So this is for this arrangement. In this we will get the positive, some portion of the positive circuit side clipped off at 5 volt and remaining portion will appear as it is. So this is one of the circuit arrangement. We can see the another arrangement with the battery terminal reversed. Now the second arrangement we will see here, we have different configurations. So we will have the second arrangement, diode with same direction but battery will be reversed here, minus plus. Let's say again this is 5 volt and this is the input voltage. We have this input voltage again at plus 10 or minus 10 and we will take the output across this V out. So again if we start solving this circuit, before that we are going to first plot the output or input waveform. So this is at plus 10, this is at minus 10. Now if we will going to mark this DC level, but here negative terminal is connected to positive of output, so the DC level is marked in the negative side. This is minus 5 here. So now if we will see this arrangement, in this it again divides the cycle in two parts. One is in the positive side, that is Vin greater than. Now we will see that DC level is minus 5 here. So we will compare it with minus 5. So Vin is greater than minus 5 and in this case Vin is lesser than minus 5. So this is the two cases we are going to take up here. So case 1, if we are going to take first, if Vin is greater than minus 5. So as we are saying Vin is greater than minus 5, that means if Vin is coming here, this Vin is also appearing here and it is at greater potential. So accordingly this is at lower potential. Now if you will check, greater is connected to positive of diode and lower is connected to negative. In this arrangement diode is said to be forward biased and becomes short. So in this arrangement if we will see the output, diode will become short and battery will get here like this, minus plus 5 volt. So what is the output appearing here? Again we calculate from the KVL. So the output is coming here is plus V out plus 5 equals to 0. So V out is coming out to be minus 5 volt here at constant value. That means if we draw the projections at the output, we will get for this portion we will get the output at minus 5 volt. That means we are getting the output at minus 5 volt for this portion. That means from this to this portion we will get the minus 5 volt. This is for Vin greater than minus 5. Now if we will see Vin lesser than minus 5, second case, case 2, Vin lesser than minus 5. In this arrangement again we have this diode with negative terminal up. This is Vin, this is Vin. Now Vin is at lesser potential and minus 5 is at greater potential, and is in this lesser is connected to positive of diode. So diode will become reverse bias here and becomes open circuit. So if we will draw the circuit arrangement here, in this case diode will become open circuit. So what is the output we get here? This output is again equals to Vin. So for this portion, output is equals to Vin, and if we look into this, for Vin lesser than -5, the only remaining portion is this left. So this will appear as it is with same peak voltage at -10 volt. So this is the output waveform that we will get for this circuit arrangement. Similarly, we can change the polarity of direction of diode also. So you can have different two configurations with different diode arrangements. So this is all about the parallel diode clipper, and if you look into this video lecture, you will find a very helpful matter. So Jai Hind to all of you. Thank you so much.